How to use IIM number 14576. Lower segment carrier alignment tool for your GKF 1505 3005 and GKF 2000-2500. Tools you will need: 1 3mm Allen, 1 5mm Allen, 1 6mm Allen, 1 13mm wrench, 1 or 2 17mm wrenches, 1 square guard door key. Begin by removing the capsule ejection manifold. Use your 13mm wrench to loosen the hold-down bolts. Remove the bolts from the housing, then remove the manifold. Next, loosen the hand knob holding down the segment cleaning manifold. Remove the hold-down bolt, then remove the upper cleaning manifold. Next, remove the upper segment blocks and lower segment blocks in stations 10, 11 and 12. Use your 13mm wrench to loosen the upper segment bolts, then remove the upper segment block. Use your 13mm wrench to loosen the lower segment bolts, then remove the lower segment blocks. If you cannot access the lower segment bolts, we recommend upgrading your upper segment carriers to IIM number 26608 that allow access to the lower segment bolts. All 12 upper and lower segment blocks can be removed now if you prefer. Now that the segment blocks are off, you can remove the lower segment cleaning manifold. Next, unlock the lower guard door with your square key. Locate the hex rod underneath the tabletop coming through the bottom of the segment gearbox. Using a 17mm wrench, loosen the hex rod until it detaches from the segment turret cover plate. Remove the M10 nut while holding the hex rod beneath the tabletop. Remove the hex rod, IIM number 14315, the two washers IIM number 13857, and the M10 nut IIM number 7959. Next, loosen the lower segment carrier by inserting your 6mm Allen into its respective hole in the segment turret. Once loose, the lower segment carrier should be able to rotate and translate. Next, disassemble the IIM lower segment carrier alignment tool. First, use your 5mm Allen to loosen the blank alignment block. Next, use your 3mm Allen to loosen the 4 set screws on the side of the tool to remove the 4 alignment pins. Now, install the blank alignment block onto the loose lower segment carrier. Use your 13mm to tighten the alignment block to the lower segment carrier head. Now, insert the alignment tool face down so the large shaft goes into the center bore of the segment turret. Align the tool in the direction of the installed alignment block. Move the lower segment carrier into approximate position. Insert the 4 alignment pins into the tool. The pins should also go into the respective holes in the alignment block. Adjust the lower segment carrier with slight movements into the pins enter the holes. All 4 alignment pins should rotate in their holes. There should not be any restrictions. When you are satisfied with the alignment, retighten the lower segment carrier clamp. Insert your 6 mm Allen in the respective through hole in the alignment tool that gives access to the clamp's bolt. Tighten the bolt. We recommend torquing this clamp bolt to no more than 21 Nm or 15.5 foot-pounds. Remove the 4 alignment pins. Then remove the alignment tool. From here, you can repeat these steps to align the lower segment carriers in stations 10, 11, and 12. If you are done aligning all 12 lower segment carriers, reassemble the alignment tool. Replace the blank alignment block and use your 5 mm Allen to tighten the 2 screws securing it to the alignment tool. Make sure each of the 4 set screws are loose. Return the 4 alignment pins to their holes. Tighten the set screws with your 3 mm Allen. Store the IIM lower segment carrier alignment tool in a safe place so it will be ready for next time it is needed. Now that all of your lower segment carriers are aligned, replace the segment turret cover plate. First, insert the hex rod, with 1 washer installed, back through the segment gear box from under the tabletop. Install the second washer above the table in the segment turret, then start threading the nut onto the protruding thread. Once the nut is started, use the 17 mm wrenches to tighten the nut. Do not tighten it completely, the hex rod should still spin freely in the center bore. Carefully replace the segment turret cover plate. Start the thread of the hex rod into the threaded portion of the segment turret cover plate. It may help to push the cover up to locate the center thread. Once the thread is started, use your 17 mm wrench to secure the segment turret cover plate. The cover plate should no longer lift up when you push the hex rod up. Reinstall the lower segment cleaning manifold. The lower manifold must be installed before segment blocks are installed unless you have the IIM upgraded cleaning housing. From here, align and tighten all segment blocks. Reinstall the cleaning and ejection housings. See the IIM GKF torque spec sheet for recommended torque settings on all bolts. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or requests, please give us a call at 336-584-4777 or email us at sales@iimnc.com. To learn more, visit our website at www.iimnc.com. You can search with your OEM numbers on our part search page and request free quotes, or read about our many improvements and innovations.